অসম লোকসেৱা আয়োগৰ আপোনালোকৰ 2021 চনত অনুষ্ঠিত হোৱা CC পৰীক্ষাৰ প্ৰশ্ন কাকতখন মই আলোচনা কৰি আছোঁ। ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাৰ্টটো আপোনালোকৰ মাজলৈ আগবঢ়ালোঁ। যদি ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাৰ্টটো কোনোবাই চোৱা নাই তেতিয়াহ'লে আই বাটনত লিংকটো দি দিম মই, তাত গৈ আপোনালোকে চাব পাৰে। আজি মই আপোনালোকৰ ছেকেণ্ড পাৰ্টটো ইয়াত আলোচনা কৰিম। চ' ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাৰ্টটোত আপোনালোকৰ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1ৰ পৰা 15লে আপোনালোকৰ ডিছকাছ কৰিলোঁ। চ' আজি 51ৰ পৰা ডিছকাছ কৰিম। চ' ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ দ্য ফাউণ্ডাৰ অফ দ্য আহোম কিংডম চাওলুং চুকাফা ৰুল আছাম ফ্ৰম 1228 to 1268. After his death, who succeeded him? So your answer হ'ব A. Sudefa. 52 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ as per a great patron of Shakta Hinduism, a Ahom king built the Umananda temple on Pigao Island of Guwahati around 1694 AD. Who was he? So your answer হ'ব C. Gadadhar Singha. 53 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ King Shiva Singha entrusted Krishnanam Bhattacharya, a Shakta priest from Navadip in West Bengal, to manage the Kamakya temple. How do we know him more popularly? So your answer হ'ব C. Parbatia Gokhai. 54 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ Sao Suhumung was the first Ahom king to adopt the Hinduism title, indicating a move towards an inclusive polity. Which Hindu name did he take? So your answer হ'ব A. Sorgonarayan. 55 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ the best passing out cadet of the National Defence Academy, Kharakwassla Pune, is conferred the answer হ'ব B. Lasit Borphukan gold medal. 56 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ who was the ruler of Kashmir at the time of India's independence? The answer হ'ব D. Hari Singh. 57 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ the brave Assamese lady warrior Mula Gaburu died fighting against? The answer হ'ব C. Turbak Khan. 58 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ who was the first Assamese to fight against the British? The answer হ'ব D. Gomdhar Kuwar. 59 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ Bhogeshwar Bora was the first Arjun Award winner from Assam in 1966. Who was the second Assamese to win this coveted award of Indian sports in 1987? Your answer হ'ব B. Monalisa Bora Mehta. 60 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which Assamese film won the first ever National Film Award for regional language category in 1955? Answer হ'ব A. Pioli Fukan. 61 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ the great footballer Dr. Talimar Rao was born in undivided India and went on to study at Cotton College and RG Kar Medical College for his degree in medicine. He holds a unique status in Indian football history. What is that? Your answer হ'ব আপোনালোকৰ D. Both B and C. 62 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ অসীমত যাৰ হেৰাল সীমা is a landmark in Assamese novel written by Kanchan Barua and was first published in 1945. But Kanchan Barua is the pen name. What is the author's real name? Your answer হ'ব B. Bhuban Mohan Barua. 63 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ The Tale of Nomadic Soul is the English translation of a famous novel by Soyad Abdul Malik. Which is that novel among the following? So answer হ'ব C. Oghori Atmar Kahini. 64 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ The novel Obhijatri is based on the life and achievement of? Your answer হ'ব C. Chandababa Khorkiani. 65 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ The English Education Act made English language in the medium of instruction in India as per decision of William Bentinck, and funds were allocated to the British East India Company to spend on education and literature in India. When was this act passed? Your answer হ'ব A. 1835. 66 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ while Rabindranath Tagore conferred the title Mahatma upon Gandhi, who conferred the title Half-Naked for Kiran Gandhi? Answer হ'ব B. Sir Winston Churchill. 67 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ who authored the famous book Indica? Answer হ'ব C. Megasthenes. 68 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ Runa Asif Ali was one of the prominent organizers of the underground activities during the? Answer হ'ব B. Quit India movement. 69 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ identify the national leader and efficient administrator who played an extraordinary role in the integration of the Indian states? Answer হ'ব D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 70 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ the largest landlocked country in the world হ'ব আপোনালোকৰ Kazakhstan. 71 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ মিলাব দিছে, so ইয়াৰ answer হ'ব D. All are correct. 72 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which country is the largest archipelago country in the world? Answer হ'ব B. Indonesia. 73 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which of the following rivers is the largest river basin in the Indian subcontinent? Answer হ'ব C. The Ganga. 74 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ the boundary demarcating between India and Pakistan came into force on 17th August 1947. Which line divides these two countries? Answer হ'ব B. Redcliffe Line. 75 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ the island of Seychelles are located in the? Answer হ'ব C. Indian Ocean. 76 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which of the following wildlife sanctuary national parks is located in the Assam Arunachal Pradesh border? So answer হ'ব A. Khunai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary. 77 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ according to the most authentic geographical studies when did life begin in the earth? So answer হ'ব C. 3.8 million years ago. 78 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which water resources project covers and extends the benefit to Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Answer হ'ব B. Sardar Sarovar Dam Project. 79 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which pair of extremely located Indian cities is connected by the east-west corridor. Answer হ'ব A. Silchar Porbandar. 80 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ as per the 2011 census, how many গাঁও পঞ্চায়ত are there in Assam? Answer হ'ব C. 2202. 81 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which among the following cities is known as the tea city of India? Answer হ'ব B. Dibrugarh. 82 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ the term black revolution is in the present context of India is associated with. The answer will be self-dependence in the production of crude oil. 83 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ Lieutenant Commander Miss Kurobi Gogoi is India's first women Navy officer to be posted as a defense attaché in a foreign country. What is her basic expertise? Answer হ'ব D. Warship construction and maintenance. 84 আপোনালোকৰ on 23rd March 2019 the first Lokpal of India was appointed. Identify the first Lokpal from the option given below. Answer হ'ব D. Sri Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. 85 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ when was Assam detached from Bengal presidency and was made a separate chief commissioner? Answer হ'ব C. 1874. 86 হ'ল which of the following articles empowers the governor to appoint the chairman and other members of a state public service commission? Answer হ'ব C. Article 316. 87 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha of the Indian Parliament? Answer হ'ব G.V. Mavalankar. 88 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ who was the India's prime minister when the government introduced the modern Panchayati Raj system by the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act and gave it a constitutional status? Answer হ'ব A. P.V. Narasimha Rao. 89 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which among the following schedules of the Indian Constitution is related with the distribution of powers between the Union and states? Answer হ'ব B. Schedule 7. 90 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ the concept of integral humanism and Antyodaya were associated with which of the following visionary thinkers of India? Answer হ'ব C. Deen Dayal Upadhyay. 91 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ when did the first amendment of the Indian Constitution take place? Answer হ'ব A. June 18, 1951. 92 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which freedom fighter earned the sobriquet the Nightingale of India? ইয়াৰ answer হ'ব আপোনালোকৰ C. Sarojini Naidu. 93 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ under Article 368 the Parliament has no power to repeal the fundamental rights because they are. Answer হ'ব A. Integral part of basic structure of the Constitution. 94 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ the concept of dual citizenship in the Union of India to the person of Indian origin belonging to some specified countries was recommended by the. Answer হ'ব B. L.M. Singhvi Committee. 95 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ equal opportunity in matters of public employment is granted under Article. Answer হ'ব C. 16. 96 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which of the following fundamental rights are available only to the citizens of India? So answer হ'ব B. 1 and 4. 97 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ in the Indian Constitution the method of election of the President of India is taken from which country? Answer হ'ব A. Ireland. 98 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ as per the tripartite Assam Accord signed among the Government of Assam, the Government of Assam and Government of India, the Government of Assam and the leaders of ASU on 15 August 1985. What was set up as the cutoff date for detecting and deportation of illegal migrants to Assam? Answer হ'ব ইয়াৰ D. 24th March 1971. 99 হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ the 4 districts under the BTCR? Answer হ'ব B. Kokrajhar, Baksa, Chirang and Udalguri. Last question হ'ল আপোনালোকৰ which statement among the following is not true about the GST Council? So your answer হ'ব B. It is shared by the Prime Minister of India. So ইমানখিনি আছিল আপোনালোকৰ 2021 চনত হৈ যোৱা অসম লোকসেৱা আয়োগৰ CC পৰীক্ষাৰ প্ৰশ্নখন। সো যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগিছে তেতিয়াহ'লে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব আৰু ভিডিওটো লাইক কৰি দিব। সো আজিলৈ ইমানখিনি আছিল, ধন্যবাদ।